Good morning, I'm Greg Phillips. Welcome to San Diego Living. Hey, if you've been on the fence about buying a home, our next guests say now, right now, is the best time, and they have 3 reasons to back up their claim. Joe Feinhandler with Best Equity and John Dupree with Jeff Campbell and Associates are here. Good morning, gentlemen. Welcome back.
Morning. Thanks for having us back.
All right, so you say that now is the best time to buy. A lot of people have been on the fence for, you know, a year, maybe even 2 years. Why is right now the best time?
Well, right now there's a lot of government programs that are going away pretty shortly. The Fed's been buying mortgage-backed securities and artificially keeping rates low. That's going to end the end of next month. They've already spent $1.2 trillion on it, so we are going to see a rate increase. And it's steadily going up, but the end of next month they won't be buying anymore. There's also the first-time homebuyer tax credit and move-up homebuyer tax credit. Those are going to be going away the month after, and by this summer in June, the property actually has to close.
Talk about the tax credits, because it's an $8,000 tax credit for first-time home buyers, right? But I don't know if a lot of people, I haven't really heard much about the move-up buyer tax credit. Talk about what that is.
There's a $6,500 move-up tax credit for a homeowner that's buying a different home, selling the first home and buying a bigger one or a more expensive one. That credit also, the same time frame applies. It's April 30th. It needs to be in escrow. It needs to close by June.
By mid-June, right?
Correct.
Okay.
Correct.
And so buyers must be in contract or close by mid-June to take advantage of the $8,000 and the $6,500 tax credit.
That's correct. That's correct. And those, you know, those programs, the lower rates are definitely bringing a lot of buyers into the market right now. And it's a great time to buy because of it. Those coupled with the lower prices in San Diego that we're all seeing.
John, what do you say to buyers and sellers who are thinking about buying and thinking about selling? How does this impact them?
Well, as Joe had stated, the rates are a big piece. You know, the rates are down and they've been at historic lows, so that impacts their monthly mortgage payment. The tax incentives are fixing to go away quick. So if you've entertained the idea, of buying it, you need to get out there and start doing your work. Get out there and start looking so you can get those houses in contract by April and get them to close by June. And the same thing goes for sellers. If you've considered selling, you thought about it, take advantage of the buyer incentives that are out there. If you're a seller, you need to have those buyers out there that are actively engaged in looking. So it's a really good time right now to take advantage of these incentives, the rates that are out there, prices that are low that really draw the buyers out there.
And Joe, the FHA also increasing the monthly mortgage insurance premiums, right?
Right. That's coming up shortly.
What's going on here?
Well, the upfront mortgage insurance premium and the monthly mortgage insurance premiums are both being increased. So now to buy with FHA is going to be a lower payment for the next 30 years just with those premiums being lower.
Because you don't have either the mortgage insurance or you have a lower mortgage insurance premium.
Correct. Correct. And, there's big things going on right now with FHA condos. They're not doing any more spot approvals, and there's only limited condos that are approved for FHA. We've got an incredible program right now that does 95% financing on condos, conventional financing.
Wow. 95%, that's almost unheard of nowadays. And is that through, what company is that through? Is that through your company?
Right. It's through Best Equity, our parent company, First Priority Financial. And it's a conventional program. Like I said, it does have mortgage insurance on it, but it doesn't need to go through the FHA process of getting approved, and that process has been completely pretty much eliminated at this point.
And John, you guys have monthly classes. If people are maybe in trouble on their homes, if they need to short sale them, if they're trying to get loan modifications, you guys have some great free classes every month, for people to show people how to do that.
Yes, we do. And you can go to our website, my website, www.isellsdre.com, and we conduct these monthly. Joe will be the lender on site. We typically have a CPA that comes in, and what we do is offer people, we've got a booklet we've put together that gives them some tips, and we basically try to empower people to do it yourself.
All right, and if you want to get a hold of Joe or John, there's the numbers on your screen. Joe's at Best Equity, 619-285-2921, or SanDiegoMortgageFinder.com. And if you want to get a hold of John Dupree, The number you saw there. Go ahead and tell us.
It's 619-417-0160 or www.isellsdre.com.
All right, guys. Thanks for coming in today. Great information.
Thanks. Seeing you again. Thanks.
All right, good to see you. And, of course, for more information, just go to our website, san diego6.com.